You fit me perfectly, darling, it's plain to see. You are a beautiful girl. Here in
Sara, if I had to sum up our relationship in one word, it would be adventure. Our adventure began the moment we both swiped right. I will always remember our first time meeting at Barrique's in vivid detail. We talked for hours as the conversation shifted from introductions to our siblings and making sure I knew all your brothers' names, to eventually setting up a next date to go bike riding.
Makes a beautiful world.
It wasn't long after we met, we decided to embark on our mission of visiting every state park Wisconsin had to offer. Now, to be honest, I didn't think this goal would ever be accomplished. But this gave me an early look at your determination that I admire so much in you.
I wouldn't do a beautiful girl. Makes a beautiful world. A beautiful girl. Makes a beautiful world.
You've made me understand what true love is, and I've fallen in love with you again and again. There have been many nights where you've made me laugh so hard I've had tears running down my face. And during the worst moments of my life, when I had little hope things would improve, you were there cheering me on, holding me, telling me it was going to be okay. And you were right. It was okay, and it did improve.
The other shoe hits the ground. All that I do is take one look at you, a beautiful girl.
Through the good times and the bad, our love has grown stronger. A lot of things have come easy, but at times we will have to work hard and focus on being there for each other. In doing this, I promise to never let us fall asleep mad at each other. I promise to fully support you in your career choices. I promise to ask you every night how your day went. I promise to never say no when you ask if we should take a selfie. And finally, I promise to be your adventure buddy until death do us part.
Alone, 'cause I know that when I see you, I will be happy as the sun, lighter than a feather, walking on the clouds when we are together, every day with you.
I promise to tell you every day how much I love you. I promise to always support you and help you achieve your goals. I promise to comfort you when you're down. I promise to always cuddle with you and probably steal the blankets. I promise to push you to do just one more thing too late at night, because it'll be better the next day. I promise to do the laundry and then probably leave it to you to fold later. I promise to truly listen to you with compassion and understanding. I promise to share the beautiful and simple moments in life, like watching the lightning in the clouds in the distance off our balcony.
It's getting better, the world's as it should be when you are here. How could I go wrong when you are here with me? How could I be anything but smiling?
One of the things I love most about you is your ability to command a room in a social setting. The first time I introduced you to my family, I threw you right into the fire by bringing you up to my grandma's cabin near Siren. You were amazing the whole time and quickly won my family over with your ability to jump into any conversation and by your ability to stay on the tube behind the boat.
And dry my tears when my world falls apart. Oh, best friend.
I promise to be your forever adventure buddy. And most importantly, I promise to love you more and more every day. I still cannot believe you convinced me to quit my job, move across the country, get married, and start a new job in 1 month. But together, anything's possible. No matter the trials and tribulations we will encounter or how much time has passed, I know that our love will continue to grow stronger. We will find strength in our relationship and support each other for better and for worse in times of sickness and in health. You are my best friend, my forever adventure buddy, and I fall more and more in love with you every day. I love you, Adam, and I am incredibly happy to be your wife.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.